Get your paper, cuz. Grandson. Woo. Man, oh man, oh man. It's about to rain too. Woo. She almost had me. She almost had me. So check it real quick. My phone is only on 10%, so I got to make this video real quick. A lot of you guys probably wanted to know what was wrong with the car. I don't know. I can tell you what I did do. It wasn't getting fuel at first. It wasn't getting the proper fuel. So I dropped the tank. I swapped out the fuel pump. Is that showing any good? Oh yeah, it's showing good. So I swapped out the fuel pump. Then I noticed the lines was hanging like 3 to 4 feet on each side. So I cut the lines. I cut the lines down and did them the right, the size they needed to be. Then it came to the fuel filter or whatever. It wasn't regulating the pressure right. So I went and got a fuel filter today and slapped that on, and that made the pressure, it was good. And then it was still having issues with the spark. So I'm like, well, damn, what is it now? So I swapped out the crank sensor, and that's where it started really jumping and all that good jazz. This is just tips on, so if you guys run into a problem with your swap, you can troubleshoot as well. And then the next one, this one was I swapped this out yesterday. So I can't really even tell you which one it was. This right here is the map sensor. You see that? It looks burnt, like burnt off, whatever, but there's nothing back there that can burn it. So this must have came off a car that was on fire. It was starting the car previously, but maybe I'm gonna put this on and see if the car's gonna start. This is how it's supposed to look. All nice and pretty on the OG car. Oh, and OG actually dropped off the goodies too. We got a few goodies here. And then on the damn Impala, man, that damn Impala, man, it's pissing me off. I just got the dry shaft done for the second time. And literally, it's a damn, let me show you. That's how much space that it needs to clear. It's literally like an inch. So I'm trying to make it work with the stock dry shaft or whatever. It's just, but the thing is, the dry shaft might have to get cut down because they can't. The yoke is a 4-inch yoke now. I mean, some people might say, "Oh, just cut the yoke," but it still needs room to slip. Here's the map sensor if y'all can see it at first. This thing is all effed up. So yeah, man. That's the update on the shop. The 96 is running and starting now, so I'm getting this damn thing out of here quick. I still got to go over a few things. The fans are not even, I don't know what the hell. I don't know what he did. He got to run into this relay, but I don't know. This crap not going to work or whatever at all. Oh, look at this little cute thing here. But yeah, none of that's not going to work, so I'm going to have to hook up his fans. It's just a lot of stuff that I got to do in there. I got to clean it up, so as y'all can see, it's crazy up beneath the hair. And for any jobs that comes in like this, from here on out, bottom line, if you already got your swap done, this is basically a swap at a wholesale price, in my opinion. If you bringing me a car that's already done by somebody else, expect to spend minimum $1,000, like seriously. And I don't know, it's just, he's willing to pay, which is cool, you know what I'm saying? He's a hella cool dude or whatever. I'm sorry I couldn't get it done by his birthday or whatever. He's willing to pay, so, which is great, but the chase game and this and that, it don't be worth the time. That's why I tell people, man, get it done right, man. And like seriously, one of my YouTube, one of the new subscribers, his name is Twin. He got a 6.0 Grand National built, and he said car run and do whatever it's supposed to do, whatever. But he said that he just paid somebody $4,000. He paid him 4 bands up front, and this car's still having issues. So, man, I don't know, man. Y'all better just come spending money right and get it done right the first time, man. This is just an update, man. I got like 4 videos coming today. Yes, today. So I need y'all to get them likes up, hit the comments, If you like this video, smack that like. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. And if you love this video, leave cuz $1.